Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I live in Southern California and we had a hurricane last night. Honestly, my 20 some years living in California, this is the first time I remember that we had hurricane. We had rains, but not hurricane. They said it was a category 3 or 4. It was a category 4 at first and it went down to 3 in my area. So let's check out my succulents. The mobile sign of my husband's pump broke. So now we have to check out our succulents and see if they're still okay. Okay, let's get started. Well, this one broke. My Vicks plant, that's my Vicks plant right there. It broke, I think, because this thing fell on top here, right there. So I'm just going to stick that in there. We'll see, I'm going to do that later because that will also grow. I'll just stick them there and then let's go to this other side rack. Although I'm kind of glad that it actually rained because it was so dry that everybody needs a good water. And they did. Mother Nature cooperated with me and I got a good water. Pouring. See, they're still good. They are good. But what's going on in this one? See that? See that? That is like a no hole in here. Let me check. But even if it's there, there is no hole. But that's a Vicks plant. They grew pretty well. This Adolphi. Oh my God, they just look so pretty. They needed this water really bad because it has been so dry and there's water, but the good thing about it, it was not, well, I slept through it, so I didn't really know. But from what I heard, the wind was really strong. And so far, I didn't see any casualties except for this one right here. So I'm gonna start taking this out. Those are well-drained soil because those are babies. So I just need to get them out of the water. And then, because look, those are fine. These, if it doesn't heat up today, which I don't think so, this is gonna be okay. They also need a good soaking. Okay. See, I put them in this tray. That's why. So hopefully they're all going. To be okay. And over here, Fred Ives is really doing good. Look at this little Fred Ives. I'm not gonna say that I'm happy that it got soaked really good because see, now they look so happy and plump. The beauty. Now this one is, oh look, it got stuck right there. I'm gonna fix that later because I know that there's no water in. Oh God, okay, I'm gonna do that later. They all look good. Look at that. And look at that aloe right there. They look so, and the Madagascar, so beautiful. I mean, seriously, I can't get mad at that hurricane because my plant needed it. Although this thing fell, but it's okay, I could fix that. This was a while back, but I can fix that. But it's still looking good. I just need to put some plants right there. See? Look at that beauty right there. And the variegated. See, look at this. We took all these babies. Remember, I have a video that I took all the babies. And this one right here, they're already pretty much growing. So I think I just need to fill this up. I need to fill, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm just going to let it ride for now. And the front, in front of the pool, they're looking very pretty. They look healthy. They needed the water. Now let's check out our babies. Look, there's some succulent that fell. The leaves fell from this and looking good. And look at this, my Graptopetalum paraguayense. They are so pretty. Look at that. They're just happy. They actually, honestly, and the chocolate soldier is such a beauty. They actually needed this water because I haven't watered them. I've been watering them, but you know, just enough for them to survive. Now let's check out our little plants right here. They look like they're happy, and look at this. She is growing. This is Pachyphyllum blue bean. And oh my god, they're so cute. There is Echeveria nebula, the next gardener, and the Superbone variegated. Look at. And my Leticia right there. Oh, look at that. Echeveria dark ice. Echeveria Orion. And look at this. Sedum. See? How can you remember these names when, I don't know, maybe somebody can give me a suggestion how do I, oh, maybe I'll do it like this. See that one? They'll never go. They'll never get erased. But look at that. I am so glad that this one didn't actually fell, but I did tie them really good. See that one? This is candle holders. I went to a garage sale, and these candle holders, they're very strong. Look at that. They were selling them for like $2. So I bought them all. This one and this one and this one. Look at that. That's a candle holder. And there's another one. And there's another one right there. So these are candle holders, and then I just make sure that they're secured here. And look at my lovely rose. Make sure that Echeveria Tango. They are, this was my fear that this would fall, and the ones over there, but look. And my aeonium, oh my god. Well, I'm just hoping, I'm letting them ride until, you know, until fall, because look at this. This already has left lots of dead leaves, and I don't think it rooted, so I'm not touching them. I actually didn't even water them, but it got wet, so hopefully they all get dry before the sun I don't think there's sun today because it's still very cloudy. So I'm hoping that there's gonna be no more rain, and this will give my plant enough time to get dry so they don't get rotten tomorrow. And even that one, I forgot the name of that one, but I kept watering once a week and she was already looking very sad. So I think what I'm going to do today is I am going to just take the bottom dead leaves out so they don't keep the moist on the soil. So I have a baby one like here. This one needs, the dead one needs to be taken out like these. So these will not, see, we need to take the dead ones, especially when they're wet. Oh my god, this looks like it's gonna die. Hopefully it's not. And look at this, Graptopetalum superbum. It looks very nice. And just need to tap a little bit so that the water won't stay. But look, it's so plump when they're like that. Oh my god, they're just so pretty. I can't complain because I really know they needed it. See, even that one, it was so hot and it was just too much. And let's go to this side right here. Can't complain, they're still pretty. Wind didn't even bother them. And this one, my cotyledon. It's a cotyledon right there. This one my daughter gave to me, so I want to make sure that they're good. And look, I even have a bitter melon. I need to plant them. I also need to replant this into a hanging one, and also this one. See, they're also in the, I chose this plastic pot here because they're in the candle holder, see, to lift them up a little bit. And to me, they look like they grew like a big plant overnight. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my lord. And this, forgot the name of this one. Somebody needs to help me ID this, but I know this one is a rare one. My friend Angie gave this to me and she's already looks so pretty. I need to put her in a bigger pot. And my string of hearts right there. And my babies. For some reason, this aeonium is growing. They're supposed to be dormant. But oh well, these are the plants that are fragile here and I need to take care of them really good. And look, these are the babies that after they get a little bit big, like this, then I put them in small pots, like the ones that got really wet. See? Look at that. Each one. You propagate and look at that. She's just right there. She's so pretty. I don't know what plant is this. My friend gave it to me. Look at that. This is Haworthii, and this one is actually burned from the sun, from the heat, but they are growing right there. Lady's finger. This is aeonium, and they just grow. I want to start doing hanging plants too. Look at that. And this one, I just took a video. She stayed right there. Still looking pretty. Everything here was actually good right there. I am so glad they just got soaked. That's what it was. and they needed it. So thank you, Mother Nature. And she's gotten so big. This Mithiana, she is going to be beautiful. I'm going to put them over there in my backyard. Oh, I have one fell. She was right here and she fell. I think she was, because she's already too big. I need to trim her. So I'm going to do that today. Here. There. And they're all pretty. And of course the landscaping, they're just beautiful. This one is beautiful still. And this one right here is still beautiful. Everything is good. Huh? Thank you. I am so glad. Actually, they just got watered. They just got soaked. So my secret garden right here, I'm not sure why is Adolphi, not really, but they just got soaked and they needed the water. So there. And the babies. This was, oh my Lord, this is my fault, you guys. I did not transfer this. That's probably what I'm going to do today. And this does not have a hole. Oh my God. Sorry. This is my fault because I was just misting it. So I was confident that I could get by without a hole, because I knew I was going to move this anyway to a smaller pot like this. I just have not gotten into it, but I guess that's my to-do list today. And the babies right here on the bottom. We just need to wait patiently until they grow. See? Look at that. They look so beautiful. I forgot to look at the top one right here and see if we have any casualties. I was already here, sorry, but I forgot to see if I have some casualties on this one. See, look at the baby. Look. Anyway, the storm, don't get mad at me if I'm going to say thank you for stopping by, for passing through, because my plants got soaked and they really, really need it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get alert for more videos. Bye now.